One more way to use this arbor press in leather crafting is stamping. Hello everyone and welcome to my Lettercraft YouTube channel. If you are new here, I would be thankful for your subscription. Today I'm going to continue last week's video and will dive deeper into other ways of using arbor press in lettercrafting. If you didn't watch first part of this topic, check this video here. Okay, let's start. Another purpose I'm always using my arbor press is stamping. I got my custom stamps from AliExpress. They don't cost as much. I will leave the link in video description where you can order yours. I have total 4 stamps for my crafts, but I'm not using every single one of them on every craft. Smallest one, my logo stamp, is about 1 square centimeter. In general, it was smallest they could make for me to keep all details in it. And a tip for beginners, don't make your stamps huge with all writings and etc. When you are no-name brand, people don't like these big stamps. Been there, know that. Many times I got asked not to put stamp, and you know, it slightly hits your confidence, cause you think your brand is the coolest in the universe. So after that I came out with this small logo stamp. Also, I have couple larger stamps which I put somewhere inside craft and they are not visible on exterior. And it's just a cool hidden detail, full logo with a brand name and the Handmade in Lithuania stamp. I'm glad to represent my country through my crafts. Maybe you don't even know it exists before buying my crafts. But these stamps I'm adding just on these crafts where I can hide it, as a stamp also leave mark on other side. Before stamping, I'm preheating my stamps on soldering iron. It makes more contrasty and more sharp looking stamp on leather. Here you can see difference between just cold stamping and hot stamping on leather. Stamping force I used is about the same. I can say exact temperature of stamp as I don't have a device to measure it, but I heat it slightly to the point I still can hold it with my fingers. Overheated stamp may scratch and damage your leather piece. Only for these hidden stamps, if I put them on flesh side of leather, I'm heating it to really hot point and I only hold it with pliers. Best way for you to set how much to heat your stamp, just test it on scrap of leather before and find out what temperature and pressing force to use. For a while I'm thinking to buy hot stamping machine. Chinese made costs over 100 euros. So if someone uses this kind of device, leave a comment. Is it worth to obtain? Any significant cons? Okay, let's move forward with stamping topic. How I make stamps even. For a while I used just 1 cm wide right corner template. Recently I came out with new thing, these plastic templates. I made them by cutting out from 3mm PVC with my cutting dies I use for leather, and cut square hole which is exact size of stamp. Now leather piece perfectly fits this template and it's very convenient to make stamp exactly where it should be. Under all I put hard surface plate, in this case metal plate. One more way to use this arbor press in leather crafting is to add snap buttons into your craft. I have just one design of wallets with snap button, so I don't use it very often, but it really helps when I need to do that. At the bottom of piston there is a hole for bolt, and you can buy adapters for snap buttons and just screw it into piston. I will leave link in description for adapters. So Arbor Press is a very helpful device to have in your workshop. I'm using it in 3 ways in total, 2 of them in every craft. If you didn't watch previous video about Arbor Press, go and check it. Just want to mention, if you need Arbor Press just for stamping or adding snap buttons, half-tone press is more than enough. If you find information on my channel helpful for you, I would really appreciate your support by joining channel members and contribute couple or more dollars monthly. Or you can support by purchasing any of my PDF templates. All my PDF templates and my letter craft you can find at my web store strhandmade.com, or at least please press the like button for YouTube algorithm. It costs you nothing. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.